Exactly mut pidan cheni kalyang pi.
Katua de ka barracks bu shalom mo.
To.
Kane ka on kane de ka fazal ka.
To.
Te on ka Khongmen.
To.
That for something din pon.
To.
That is this area.
Exactly mut pidan cheni kalyang pi.
Katua de ka barracks bu shalom mo.
To.
Kane ka on kane de ka fazal ka.
To.
Te on ka Khongmen.
To.
That for something din pon.
To.
That is this area.
Sementara hang ni kamut pi ong pidan katu kadika
Fazal ka town. Gidan ha cantonment in Fazal ka town area. Te kato kadi bangi train ngi emang to shabam kumar patay. Hindi ka operational task jungi
kadai hai.
Kade hang ne. Nang ne hado ne.
Kani kadika international.
Kani kade IB.
Okay, international border.
Mo.
Kani.
Kani kade India, Punjab. Kani kade Punjab, Pakistan.
Punjab, Pakistan mo.
Te ka satellite kayo kawanan ni kini satellite siya magawanan ni mo. Hang ni Pakistan usna ka dam.
Hang ni.
Oh, ha jaka jo unkin away from the border. Hang ni. Tang ni kini canals ki yaad kin. Kini ro ka canals ni. Fodwa Canal, main line, Pakistan. Kini twin canal we call them. To cross this is also very difficult. So mde bachletor becha to vinra. Te niro ka jo kamjaga nang ne ka don ka gang canal. Very big canal, twin canal kum kini hai. Actually ki canal age line to. Kum fi cross ka way let's cross away. Sene ka don ka gang canal, ka balik chado Rajasthan. Tang tu ishim kasawan nang nikin. Gang canal ka ini kishna ka way ka canal hani. Ki khode ka ne ka Sabuna distributory. Kathe ka bawan te ka hab hang ne. Kani ka di ka creek ka kabala long stagnant kala ban nam to chino ne ka to hang ne khnian sa Pakistan ana border tangan tu kale che isa to kendo alam ba kani ka satellite river bed ken takani ka bush dab bet kani por perkem ta ban chenero ban basai kani kana kini ba ki distributory te kani ro ka distributory ka ba hai te ye kini ka khando bang ti ban yak ban ya kani nei ka khando bar khoi kin te salor from the depth onto a height raise it up the above the water line raise it up and over here you have your built in your defenses more. Then beyond this bun on top, you have another service track over here. This is for the jeep bucket on Siat tank. The service, the GS road, the kadan ni halot kanika khndo bala kantia. Challenge that no baad. Tam ki pelaj jaka khanda teng one panab khanda ka tup sate pasha yo nong shon they want to get tanks yat the gane ka kalau mobile ken ka anti tank kan kita gamon ad battalion level we have this kene kanal baka ban gadan hangni tingi deploy jung ik kalau ni ken to kini ado hangni namal gimtip hakano ko kamba shwa katma shwa ke jing jai the jaba ke katma ni de manam prepare ni prepare kan yeken we fortified this area we have RCC built bunkers naman nimla ban construct this akman they here within our own perimeter we can do it but we are not supposed to dig 5 miles short of IB, but anyway, who knows. Now, once the balloon goes up, that means the warning has come, occupy the defense areas. The deployment will be like this. One company at Kader Baksh, one company at Pakka, and one company at Churiwala Chesti. That means 3 rifle companies out.
So,
The battalion, one company, the rifle company, somewhere here, along this band. Over here you have, they said, the Adam company and the support company. Support company troops, they'll be given to the companies. So there'll be no company except signal company and the pioneer company. Pioneer platoon and signal platoons. Kito ki signal men jogi for infantry level. Ki ai companies main dan bat ngiken. You know, you don't come signal range depending on the distance to keep and come. Tanka telephone line long. But telephone line can go anytime. Once the balloon goes up, it's shelling the blast headers and all the lines will be. So only on radio we can remain in touch. So once the balloon, back in 71, you order to create any Jaka. Kiniki Jaka, but Gimlan, Pancre, Schwager, Schwabanjak, in Havle and Dangilam, Yoko Kumbanlet, Hangne, Nantang Sakti in Jaka.
the kanika incident mo kanika jingjia.
Kanika Jahang, Kanika Jahan.
Hangni. Kuno.
Kanika, I'll tell you.
Nam hangni the tin nong way mo.
Oh.
Kada kaktin nong way ki ongam ni mo. Nga stana nga puli kani mo. I moved Lanima P forward along the communication trench, followed by my ever faithful Batman, Sipoi Vithe Sema, popping my head out of the trench as I was observing the enemy area for the sniper.
Yeah.
I heard another crack of a rifle.
Wonderful. Okay. Now, mo, nga dan hangni on this village Kaderbas, a company jonga. Hangni ki dan ki platoons ki may pa mangi pa commanding officer bandan like a jonking ad hoc unio ibreu khndian nga ibreu khndian kedan ki platoon ki op ki sections ki operate nanne. Take deployment jongi ke de hangni ka dan tang ka battalion headquarters but ka wake a rifle company hangni. Take ne ke de ka Suraba hado border ka len. Yakaniro di ban defend. The yakaniro ngi ban defend kani ka jaka line no kani. Kiboyan ni. Abang idan hafazal ka ngi shong ki barak lele ni pun kre kani ka jaka. Ni laban mana ka no ko po kani ka jaka. Nobody will complain.
Okay.
No international report and all. Yakini bang him laban pun kre pa. Tan hado ngi nam move ang ni tanang ni ken. Misalnya yang ni occupy kini kita stanti di translate. Kini pala aladan napate. They are already fortified. RCC bunkers have been made, where you can take shelter. Even if tanks come, they fire with the rockets and all. But all they do, they can directly onto us. The balloon went up. The war started on night of the 3rd December.
1971.
1971. Te ka jingwan unong chuon
One A.
kini ka headwork ng nikin.
Kani nalungi.
Oh, kawan nang tayo na Pakistan ki cross kini ka barrage ng nikin. Kini ka headwork, kini ka dam site ni. Kiwan nang ni ki sangye hang niya kaman. This area in front. Te ki la kre ngilate belawan nang tu na makita yung sila ya man met Tanks can move somewhere here and here also. Near along ready, near along ready, now next. Gin yale akin the kiwan kat bangi la slam ban bat eking and bat. Bakinam terus ni je khang ba jakani ka fasal ka down ka one battalion ka prepare ke jaka na mata ka brigade banele anta. Takamot kini khoi ken habatan den. The withdrawal I was talking about. They'll withdraw to Fazilka, the township. Ketua pala prepare the one battalion, namantaka brigade fight. kadang they tang battalion warfare. Then you ban bat ini kita. So when the balloon went up, ngim tip nang no kiwan, tambah kiwan. Yang ni kikiar nang ni.
Ya pi.
Yo kiwan mun sedien. Nang balai. Bagi yo strong hang ni ngam la mun ki so nang te. Ngan le sono. Kaniro ko ko bajleo lindang breo. Men med keras ko ngato. Dan wan nang ni la ele ban wan nang ni wan bebe hang ka hang ni tapi man nang ni ba ula man ni sapo fazal kata mompat lej marwe jung ka kam ka de ban tan kem ye ka ni bun yo bat ye ni ka jaka khna bun tur pa de fazal ka fresh troops will have to come in. Second pa nang ni yo ka hukum kin one pai nang tu one hang ni ngan wan ne ngan wan nga kham ni no kham jine kin ya no kham jine nga sawan ka ni ka kini ka diga drain ki khot kini ka sabuna distribute kini ka diga sabuna drain ka ka badap nang ne no slap na ding slay ne ne ka to kini ro ka to nang ne ndi ka khang mata kini ka dan bet nang ne tu nom la man wan la man chu siat na jinga tu wan kum ta ken tu nu bre wan hang ne ya tur nang ne ken wan nang ne ka jaka man nang ne wan thoya ka ne ta kan ne bo wan nang ne kadi ka jo batan ko wan nang ne unu we le chane unu wan hang ne yo kem ka ne yo kem ka ne bridge hang ne intact.
And when did the incident take place? Manu kashim katuka jingja jong kanipat.
Night of the kani
Katuka jingja jong tu polok jong pibat.
kani it was on the 5th I think 5th December.
Kalong kumno.
3rd December
Jai yu.
I'll tell you.
Katuka me.
3rd December the enemy had come in and at midnight I was told to vacate my place, withdraw from there and come and report over here. Kani ka road nang ni
Karen tu.
ka battalion quarters ka dan hang ni. To one to battalion quarters nga ya nang taken ka dal ba ka chen ka company nga sawan ni po yang ni tang sa ya chen ni. Sorry, this portion. Nga sa can do your commanding officer. Wong enemy has sat over here.
Wala na nang tu lawan.
Well done. Nama kami po mga ya nang take we kami kani ka jagain. We're very sad how we think this also, but it couldn't be helped. Anyway, now one hang to we are strong hang ni. Takamot kan badan headquarters ka dan hang ni.
Wala jani gin. Hang tu te.
Hang tu dan ni kan badan ko la kem badan headquarters akul mar kam ka jam bar hoin. Then one ni company nga occupy hang ni again between badan headquarters and this salient which enemy has captured. My first light morning, I arrive over here, and I move our front at midnight, and finding our way through this bog and the narrow place to cross over, till we found that. Then we will come look at Banyangaro. We are home. Tama caught the way swimmers, right? Sumpah Malaysia ketin lah tenang nanti, taman light kasih tu mana mau ngajum. Sulai, tapi hendak berkah. Dia Nepali tahu, merangkut, sipai. Yang tak kita dengan London ni ke lasai ke beneng, sedang ke machine gun cua, kena South Electric Step. Siat na ka machine gun sudah. Kan mengenang ni ulah siat nang te. We NCO naga. Utau siat na terpeng na keti. Hab evacuate itu. Sapai beliau hang ni asal walang itu ngayu. Ikra ke BSF post. Minaktan shukra se kani ken. Siat teng sa pa lam yung tu kisa evacuate yu pa chadin. Tengi nga lebe kendo usio nga sa deploy ka company no nga ne. Nga da hit mundam tang ar platoon in lai platoon nga sin debandan na makaway platoon kalale ne bi po yung usio kini jaka jangar no sorry very well village ki deploy ki ang ne tu hap po usio kim dan contact so ban nga te the sing ba sao ki jang siat tang the machine gun sing ba san mas step some sniper was at work thau tang na tang na Khlieh siat be ni si pa yong mano no baki ang ne surak bar khoi yu i lot
ku tau sniper
telescopic sight no and ngai kitchen harass you he utagen tengi yang ke mo tak ding siat kawan ne nga khongoi um to pitch na you te kana how kind of a bun, we call it a bun, that heap of soil that we packed. Hangni glass yang gideng but ngithung himangi ban camouflage to man hold the soil and all that can ngithung deng. The ngatip pa de when to gideng danu sniper tamla bani yeleban pe he ula ban dan hanu kami ka jing sian hap uniu siba yang yang mat nang te mo yang pe ko dan you know clear but brain and blood on my jacket kullan hanga
tu body jong fi
okay I'm not ashamed but I cried when he passed away. It hit me very badly. Yeah, I did cry. Tears came to my eyes. And whenever I recall, I still do. So attached to him. So that was... And then I've stuck on over here and we did not move from this place anywhere else. We were just waiting orders to go to Fazaka. The order never came because we held this place intact.
Oh, tu sniper pa let him know. You tu sniper.
I don't know whether I mentioned in here or not.
I
I didn't leave him.
On the enemy's side, the elusive sniper was active as we suffered many casualties during the next 2 days.
Yeah.
When Major Bhalla, the second in command, visited my forward post, a sniper's bullet narrowly missed him.
Absolutely, I just missed him. The udan ude hakasni kaba kano tere kano yo 10 or 12 now to kumta hai. Udan uwe yan na wan ne kini kin jaka kala Retd number lakham ya kidan ki battalion headquarter ne ka signal platoon headquarter ka dan ne dengan wan sa mga artillery platoon the nang ne kadang ko ka platoon ni jong ka way pat ka company kani ka company ka badan nang ni kadan na khmat jeng ki mo te katu ka step mga poi mga ni atu ka singi pa withdraw na kini te ki song hang ne kini kisipai mde show across the canal got back again because this was prepared for demolition. This bridge.
Panpathino.
Think the wing na ikino to panpathay to the bridge. Te hang ni udan kani ka platoon badan man shwase ne tanga khot yu token. Ang khot yu platoon commander mga ito ba ude subdar de mizo. Basya company yang aben beshikar. Nado widam dan hagaya.
Apo Bihar.
Masih but shikar ban ngage. Tanga khodiyo. One ada abaga rifle ko 303 rifle. nama SLR kan namlong SLR yang akan thamai ba tu po nama Shelley Chicago ka 303 bi tak 303 glaweng kita nang ki grenade firing rifle ban ayo ki caps ki tu bengi tap grenade ban laweng tu nang Siat ni Sahel tu sebetai kan laweng pen tak tu sulai pa we dan U backside bi this is the side foresight and this is the U backside to align this to the target can then come along easier naka 303 tengok you wala ada tu rifle jama atli yang awi je memoi tengi am ta ke am pet udan hang te tam gim tip hang no teng nek kum no ban pen sharai ne won Siat to then the trends gen ya le am no ngawen ka cap jonga FS cap jonga not the helmet kin the cap I got a stick
Ding.
Udi on pesni ngan penyat kan ni me am ang ni ngatang poi mang ni ai ngan sa yang be ready to mel pet mo ngan ngan ready ngan penyat je kan ke tupia ngatawa antu so penyat tu jar teng ni her tupia jonga on chua ka tang lo sap tiari ho me harkat karao teng chimpai kuli in ega flash ka ai tang dik ya semua
Untuk sniper. Usia tu.
JS yo jonga ngamun yele amta pen mo ule dengan Siat manga dan Siat mo ngan pet manga ke men pet no so teman ta matip thau ta ka Khlieh ta nama gini ki trends ngi at the level of the pile of earth it's flat up tengi ngiti ke trends ngi tu bang par man yo are ban dim open easily long mo ta hanta ken na ta ka ka ngi don ya sentiat nang ta khman ngai yang nang ta dian ki ta trends ban ki to it worked it ends up there that they still got their game